Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Zapier with Notion. So firstly, just simply click create Zap. Then in the trigger you can choose any application of your liking. But for me I will just simply choose YouTube. The event will be new video in playlist. Then I will press continue. Then I will choose my account. So if you don't have an account, just simply link it from over here. Then press continue. Then enter the playlist ID. So the playlist ID is after is equals to over here. So simply copy this and paste it over here. Then press continue. Then click test trigger. So it will check is this playlist correct or not, or is this accessible or not. So as you can see, found all the videos in the playlist. Just simply press continue down here. And now just simply choose Notion. So the trigger has been set. Now we are going to make the action. Now over here, just in the event, just simply choose what you want to do with the information. So for me, I will just simply choose update database item. Then press continue. Then choose the account. So I already have a linked account. So if you don't have one, just simply click here and link your Notion account to Zapier. Then press continue. Then choose the database that you want. So for me, it's task list. Then in the items will be pick on walk. So in the name I will write new video and I will also add a video link to it. Now I will add a status, so it will be in to do. Then in the content I will just simply write a small description. So after writing the small description, just simply press continue over here. Then just simply make a test action. As you can see, it made a test action on my Notion account. So if I go back to my Notion account, I will find the test action over there. So here it is. In the to-do list, the video that I wanted, video is about Windows. All the information is right over here. So from now on, every time a video is uploaded on this particular playlist, it will be also updated in this particular page in Notion. So to make this trigger and action permanent, what you have to do after the test action is successful, just simply click publish over here and the trigger and the action will be permanent. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.